Good morning, students. Today I will discuss your lesson, the bond of love. It means the bonding between two persons can be so high that there needs no barrier in their relationship. It's a beautiful story where the narrator is narrating its own experience in which he come to meet a bear, a bear, where where the sloth bears inhabit forested areas, inculcating the tropical rainforests of India and grasslands at lower elevations. Means the story about the sloth bear. Okay, uh, I will begin with Bruno. My wife, a pet sloth bear. I got him for her by accident. Means the narrator is having a sloth bear to gift it to his wife, and it happens by an accident. Means uh, Bruno is the name of a sloth bear who is the pet to the narrator's wife. Okay, and it happens by accident. 2 years ago, as we were passing through the sugarcane fields near Mysore, means uh, the writer with his friends 2 years ago they were passing through Mysore. ठीक है, people were driving away the wild pigs from the fields by shooting at them. लोग वहाँ पे ड्राइविंग करने के लिए जो वाइल्ड पिग्स होते हैं उनको शूट कर रहे थे ताकि रास्ता साफ हो जाए. Some were shot and some escaped. Okay, some wild pigs were shot and some were scared. कुछ बच गए. Okay, बच के वो चले गए. We thought that everything was over when suddenly a black sloth bear came out panting in the hot sun. And we thought that everything is clear now, but suddenly a black bear appeared before them. Now I will not shoot a sloth bear wantonly, but unfortunately for the poor beast, one of my companions did not feel that way about it. Means the writer didn't think to shoot that bear, but his companion did not think like that and he shot it. As we watched the fallen animal, we were surprised to see that the black fur on its back moved and left the prostrate baby. मीन्स जैसे ही वो एनिमल गिरता है स्लोथ बियर, तो जब वो उसके पास जाके देखते हैं तो उसके पास एक बेबी बियर वहीं पर अपनी मदर की पीठ पर चढ़ा हुआ होता है और सडन शॉट से उसकी मदर मर जाती है. द लिटिल क्रिएचर रैन अराउंड इट्स prostrate parent making a pitiful noise. Okay. When the sloth bear became dead, the baby bear is moving around his parents. I ran up to attempt to capture it, scooted into the sugarcane field, following it with my companions. I was able to grab it by the scuff of its neck, while it snapped and tried to scratch me with its long, hooked claws. Means that's the situation when the writer tried to grab the sloth bear baby, and he is trying to scratch the writer with its claws. We put it in one of the gunny bags we had brought, and when I got back to Bangalore, I duly presented it to my wife. She was delighted. और जब वो बेंगलोर वापस आया तो उस बेबी बियर को उसने अपनी वाइफ को एज ए प्रेजेंट गिफ्ट कर दिया. एंड शी वाज वेरी मच डिलाइटेड टू हैव अ बेबी बियर. शी एट वंस पुट अ colored ribbon around its neck. The very first thing which she did is that she put a colored ribbon around its neck, and after discovering the cub was a boy, she cherished it Bruno. और जब पता चला कि that's a baby bear is a boy, so she named it Bruno. Bruno soon took to drinking milk from a bottle. It was but a step further, and within a very few days he started eating and drinking everything else. शुरू में बॉटल से दूध पिलाया गया उसे, लेकिन बाद में उनने सब कुछ खाना और पीना शुरू कर दिया. And everything is the right word, for he ate porridge made from any ingredients, vegetables, fruit, nuts, meat, especially pork, curry, and the regardless of condiments and chilies. Means जो कुछ भी, the writer is saying here that everything is the right word, means वो सब कुछ खा लेता था, सब्जी हो, फल हो, अनाज हो, everything. The bear became very attached to two Alsatian dogs and to all the children of the tenants living in the Bangalore. बेबी बियर जो था वो सबसे घुल मिल गया था, स्पेशली विद एल्सेशियन डॉग्स. He was left quite free in its younger days and spent its time in playing, running into the kitchen and going to sleep in our beds. Means that baby bear is free to do what he want to do. One day an accident befall him. I put down poison barium carbonate to kill the rats and mice that had got into my library. एक दिन नरेटर ने बैरियम कार्बोनेट को जो चूहों को मारने के लिए रखा था अपनी लाइब्रेरी में. ब्रूनो एंटर्ड द लाइब्रेरी एज ही ऑफन डिड एंड ही एट सम ऑफ द पॉइजन. जैसे ब्रूनो हर जगह घूमने के लिए फ्री था, वो लाइब्रेरी में गया और उसने वहां पे वो पॉइजन खा लिया. Paralysis set into the accident that he could not stand to his feet, but he dragged himself on his stumps to my wife. एकदम से उस पॉइजन का असर उस पर इतना हुआ कि वो खड़ा नहीं हो पाया, बट वो वाइफ के पैरों पर गिर गया. बट who called me? I guessed what had happened. Off I rushed to the car to the vet's residence. A case of poisoning, temp beer, barium carbonate, what to do? मीन्स वो उसको डॉक्टर के पास ले गया एनिमल्स के. ओके, द केस इज ऑफ पॉइजनिंग. Out came his medical books and a feverish reference to index begin. What poison did you say? Sir, barium carbonate. Oh yes. A days back to the car, Bruno still floundering about on his stumps, but clearly weakening rapidly. Some vomiting, means these are the consequences after the poisoning, that he was not able to stand properly. He started vomiting, breathing very heavy, and मुंह से उसके झाग निकलने लगे थे. Hold him, everybody. In goes the hypodynamic. Bruno squills 10 cc of the antidote enters his system without a drop being wasted. 10 minutes later, condition unchanged. Another 10 cc injected. 10 minutes later, breathing less. Bruno can move his arms and legs a little, although he can't stand yet. 30 minutes later, Bruno gets up and has a great feed. He looks at the disdainfully, so much as to say, what's barium carbonate to a big black bear like me? मीन्स आधे घंटे के बाद में सिचुएशन ओवरकम हो गई एंड ही हैज़ अ ग्रेट फीड. मीन्स उसने खूब पेट भर के खाना खाया, जैसे वो कह रहा हो कि बेरियम कार्बोनेट वाला पॉइजन मुझ जैसे ब्लैक बियर के लिए क्या करेगा. Another time he found nearly 1 gallon of old engine oil which I had drained from the sump of the Studebaker and was keeping as a weapon against the inroads of termites. अगेन उसने एक ओल्ड इंजन ऑयल खा लिया, पी लिया, मतलब बैलगन उसका. The once mile on and Bruno had grown away times the size he was when he came. मीन्स महीने पे महीने पास होते गए and he become a big one. He had equaled the Alsatians in height and had even outgrown them. मीन्स वो अल्सेशियन डॉग से भी ज़्यादा बड़ा हो गया, but was just as sweet, just as mischievous, just as playful. and he was very fond of us all. लेकिन इन सब में अच्छी बात क्या थी? He was very fond of us all, and uh, he was a loving animal who loved to play. She has changed his name from Bruno to Baba, a Hindustani word signifying small boy, and he could do a few tricks to at the command Baba wrestle or Baba box. He vigorously tackled anyone. Means अब वो बाबा के आवाज पे सुन के जो उससे काम कहा जाता था वो करने लगा था. Then my son and advised my wife and friends advised her to give Baba to the zoo at Mysore. When he became very grow up and very big, then everybody began to advise them to give him to the zoo. But his wife is not ready to put him in a zoo. We all, at least, uh, everybody made her convinced, and a cage has come from Mysore Zoo, and a lorry has come to make him away from the house. We all missed him greatly, but in a sense, we were relieved. According to the author, we all missed him greatly means as he was a pet animal, so everyone was attached with him. But they were the relieved at this time because he was getting his size and becoming very big, and that may be dangerous for the children. My wife was inconsolable means जो नरेटर की वाइफ है वो उसे बिल्कुल अपने बच्चे की तरह ही पाला था. तो इनकंसोलेबल मीन्स उसको कोई भी चीज कंसोल नहीं कर पा रही थी, वो किसी भी तरीके से शांत नहीं हो पा रही थी. शी wept and fretted. For the first few days she would not eat a thing. मीन्स उसने कुछ दिनों बिल्कुल नहीं खाया. दिन she wrote a number of letters to the curator. मीन्स जो ब्रूनो को ले गए थे उनको उसने खूब सारे लेटर्स लिखे. हाउ वाज बाबा बिग केम द रिप्लाईज, वेल बट फ्रेटिंग ही रिफ्यूजेस फूड टू. लेकिन जो जवाब क्या आया कि वैसे तो सही है लेकिन वो खाना नहीं खा रहा है. आफ्टर दैट फ्रेंड्स विजिटिंग मैसूर वर बैक्ड टू मेक अ पॉइंट ऑफ गोइंग टू द जू एंड सीइंग हाउ बाबा वाज गेटिंग अलोंग. They reported that he was well but looked very thin and sad. उसके कुछ दोस्त मैसूर गए थे तो उनसे जानकारी ली गई कि how was Baba. So all of them were replied that he was very thin. He was okay but becoming very thin. All the keepers at the zoo said he was fretting. For 3 months I managed to restrain my wife from visiting Mysore. मतलब 3 महीनों तक नरेटर ने अपनी वाइफ को वहां जाने से उसे रोके रखा. Then she said one day, I must see Baba. Either you take me or by car, or I will go myself by bus or train. So I took her by car. Friends had conjectured that the bear would not recognize her. I had thought so too. सबने ये कहा कि बियर उसको पहचानेगा नहीं. किसको? वाइफ को. But it proved wrong because बहुत some yards from his cage Baba saw her and recognized her. मिसकी मतलब कुछ यार्ड की दूरी पर भी होने पर भी बाबा ने उसे पहचान लिया. 3 मंथ्स की दूरी हो गई थी. शी howled with happiness. She ran up to him and patted him through the bars, and he stood on his head in delight. मीन्स वो खुशी के मारे चिल्लाने लगा. वो दौड़कर उसके पास से गई, उसे थपथपाया, उसे प्यार करा. बोथ वर इन वेरी डिलाइटफुल moment. For the next 3 hours she would not leave that cage. She gave him tea, lemonade, cake, ice cream, and what not. What not means मतलब क्या नहीं दिया, everything to eat. Then closing time came and we had to leave. My wife cried bitterly. Baba cried bitterly. Even the hardened curator and the keepers felt depressed. Means जो वहाँ पे curator था देखभाल करने वाला वो भी सब depressed हो गए. For me, I had reconciled myself to what I knew was going to happen next. मैं अपने आप को मजबूत कर रहा था कि अगले पल क्या होगा. Oh please sir, she asked the curator, may I have my Baba back? Hesitantly he answered, madam, he belongs to the zoo and is government property now. I can't give away government property, but if my loss, the superintendent at Bangalore agrees, certainly you may have him back. वो कहता है कि अगर बॉस मंजूरी दे देंगे तब आप इसे ले जा सकती हैं. There followed the return journey to Bangalore and a visit to the superintendent of Bangalore. A tearful pleading, Baba and I both fretting for each other. Will you please give him back to me? He was a kind-hearted man and consented. तो जो सुपरिटेंडेंट था जूका, ही वॉज अ काइंड हार्टेड पर्सन एंड वो नरेटर की वाइफ की प्लीडिंग देखकर झुक गया एंड उसने एक केज अरेंज करा कि बाबा वहाँ से जू से बेंगलोर आ सके. Back we went to Mysore again. Armed with the superintendent's letter, Baba was driven into a small cage and hoisted on top of the car. The cage was tied securely, and a slow and careful return journey to Bangalore was accomplished. Means वो सब के सब बाबा को सेफली लेकर आ गए. Once home, a squad of police were engaged for a special clinic in our compound. नरेटर के घर के कंपाउंड में बहुत सारे कुली लगे उस वर्क के लिए. मीन्स वहाँ पे उन्होंने एक आइलैंड टाइप बनाया जिसमें खूब गहरा गड्ढा करा. उस गड्ढे में एक चूल्हा लगाया जिसके थ्रू उसकी वाइफ उससे मिलने जाती थी. ठीक है. और वो एक ड्राई पिट से मतलब सूखे गड्ढे से चारों तरफ से घिर किया जैसे कि बाबा वहाँ पे बाहर नहीं आ सके और किसी को परेशान नहीं कर सके. A wooden box that was housed halls were brought and put on the island for Baba to sleep in at night. एक लकड़ी का बॉक्स खूब बड़ा सा जहाँ पे कि बाबा सो सके. Okay, straw was placed inside to keep him warm. straw रख दी गई जिससे कि उसकी बॉडी गर्म रहे. एंड हिज बेबी द गान स्टैम्प along with his gun and the piece of bamboo मीन्स उसके आराम की सारी चीज़ें उस आइलैंड में जिसमें खूब गहरा गड्ढा बनाया गया था वहाँ पे अरेंज कर दी गई. इन ए फ्यू डेज द कुली होस्टेड द केज ऑन टू द आइलैंड एंड बाबा वॉज रिलीज्ड. जब वो सब तैयार हो गया तब बाबा को उस केज में से उस आइलैंड पे छोड़ दिया गया. वो बहुत खुश था और वो बहुत खुश होकर अपनी खुशी जाहिर कर रहा था और मेरी वाइफ भी बहुत खुश थी. वो वहाँ पे घंटों बिता सकती थी. He was 15 months old and pretty heavy too. वो केवल 15 मंथ का था और खूब हैवी भी था. The way my wife reaches the island and leaves it is interesting. I have tied a rope to the overhanging branch of the mango tree with a loop of its end. Means झूले की तरह से बांध दिया गया था. वहाँ से वो बाबा के उस आइलैंड पे उतरती थी और फिर उसके घंटों बातें करने के बाद में फिर वो वापस आ जाती थी. But who can say how that a sloth bear has no sense of affection, no memory, and no individual characteristics? But according to the writer, that is the bond of love that an animal is very much anxious about a human being, and his wife is also very much affectionate about that animal, and they made the necessary arrangements so that nothing harm can put to the animal as well as to the wife. That is the strength of the bond of love that both of them are having. Who are having the bond of love? The sloth bear and the narrator's wife. That's all in this recording, students. I hope you understand the lesson. If you are finding any problem, you can say to me.